how you can reset your GE dishwasher. In this video, I'll show exactly how you can do it. So let's get started. First, try a cower reset. Unplug your GE dishwasher from the wall. If it's hardwired, turn off the circuit breaker. Wait for 1 full minute. This clears the control board's memory. Then, plug it back in or turn the breaker back on. Now, press and hold the Start Reset button for 5 seconds. This often fixes small problems and resets the control panel. If the dishwasher is on and the buttons work, try a soft reset. Just press and hold the Start button for 5 seconds. You may hear a beep or see some lights flash. That means it's resetting. This is good if your dishwasher is stuck in the middle of a cycle or won't start a new one. If that doesn't work, try one more way. Look for the Start button and the Select Cycle button. Press and hold both buttons at the same time for about 5 to 10 seconds. You should hear a beep or see the lights change. That means the system is resetting. This works well for newer GE dishwashers that have touch buttons or controls on the top. And that's it. That's how you can reset your GE dishwasher.